हेलो एवरीवन। इस वीडियो में हम प्रैक्टिस करेंगे रिपोर्टेड स्पीच की। उसके लिए हम क्लास 6 बीबीसी क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट 75 सॉल्व करेंगे। अगर आप क्लास 6 के बीबीसी के बाकी क्लासरूम असाइनमेंट देखना चाहते हैं और रिपोर्टेड स्पीच, तो उनके वीडियोस के लिंक मैंने डिस्क्रिप्शन में प्रोवाइड किए हैं। क्लास 6, क्लास 7, क्लास 8 की बीबीसी की वर्कशीट सॉल्व देखने के लिए प्लेलिस्ट का लिंक डिस्क्रिप्शन बॉक्स में गिवन है। Read the short conversations given below and then complete the passage that report the conversation. उससे पहले हमें एक नोट गिवन है, हम वो रीड करेंगे। Common reporting verb said is converted into different words. अगर हमारे पास सेंटेंस में said वर्ड आ रहा है तो हम उसको चेंज कर सकते हैं asked, inquired, advised, suggested, requested, apologized, promised, want और remarked में। क्वेश्चन मार्क्स, एक्सक्लेमेशन मार्क्स एंड कोटेशन मार्क्स आर रिमूव्ड। हम इनको रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में यूज नहीं करते। द सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द इंटरोगेटिव सेंटेंसेस एंड एक्सक्लेमेटरी सेंटेंसेस गेट चेंज्ड इनटू असर्टिव और डिक्लेरेटिव स्ट्रक्चर। कभी भी सेंटेंस इंटरोगेटिव या एक्सक्लेमेटरी नहीं रहेगा रिपोर्टेड स्पीच में। ऑल इंटरजेक्शंस आर रिमूव्ड and accounted for in indirect speech with special phrases like exclaimed with joy, surprise, regret, etc. Expressions like well, you know, I think, etc. are removed. हम इन सब expressions को remove कर देते हैं reported speech में. Next, expressions like no and yes are reported indirectly with the help of a that clause. Next, interjections like congratulations and thank you get changed into reporting verbs in the indirect sentence as congratulated and thanked. Congratulations को हम congratulated में change करते हैं और thank you को thanked में. Additional chunks of assertions by a particular speaker may also be reported with the help of expressions and added that. First, teacher, have you completed your project? Smith. Smith. No, sir. The teacher asked Smith if he had completed his project. Smith replied that he hadn't. Mother, have you finished your lunch, Henry? Henry, yes, I have. Mother asked Henry if he had finished his lunch. Henry replied that he had. Third, boss, I have sanctioned your leave. You can go home now. Mark, thank you, sir. Third, boss, I have sanctioned your leave. You can go home now. Mark, thank you, sir. Reported speech, the boss told Mark that he had sanctioned his leave and that he could go home. Then Mark thanked his boss. Fourth, Ebenezer, what day is it, my boy? Boy, well, it's Sunday. Ebenezer asked the boy what day it is. The boy replied that it was Sunday. Fifth, Mother, what kind of a boy is your new friend? Murugan, why don't you meet him to find out? Reported speech, Mother wanted to know what kind of a boy Murugan's new friend was. Murugan suggested that he should meet his friend to find out. 6. Hurry, I have a very bad toothache. Om, if I were you, I had see a dentist immediately. Reported speech. Hari complained that he had a very bad toothache. Om advised him to see a dentist immediately. 7. Rocky, can you lend me some money please? Sava, I am sorry, I can't. I am broke. Reported speech. Rocky requested Saba to lend him some money, but she politely refused, saying that she was broke. 8. Mitali, Mom, I have passed grade 6 with distinction. Mom, congratulations, well done. Reported speech. Mitali told her mom that she had passed grade 6 with distinction. Her mom congratulated her, saying that she had done well.